Next question is, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. What if they gave the question? The denominator is of a rational number is greater than its numerator. That means the denominator is based on the numerator. In a fraction 1 by 2, 2 is called the denominator, 1 is called the numerator. Did they give any numbers there? No, ma. What they told? They told that denominator is greater, but they has not given the number. How much greater than its numerator? It is greater than numerator by 8. That means if we know the numerator, we can find out denominator. If the numerator is 5, the denominator is how much? 5 plus 8. If the numerator is 2, the denominator is how much according to the question? The denominator is greater than numerator by 8. That means 2 plus 8. That means the denominator is based on the numerator. So we don't know numerator. So let the numerator be x. So if x is the numerator, then what is the denominator? X plus 8 will be the denominator. If x is the numerator, then denominator is equal to x plus 8. They told that increased by 8. Okay. If the numerator, this is one case. If the numerator is increased by 11, that means in the second case, what they told? The numerator, new numerator, is increased by 11. That means we must increase. Increasing means adding. We must add. How much you must add? 17 to the numerator. What is the numerator here? X is the numerator. So x plus 17. Why? Why I am adding 17 here? In the question they gave, if the numerator is increased by 17, we must add 17 to the numerator. That means 17 increasing means adding 17. For what? For numerator. Understood, ma? And the denominator is decreased by 1. So the same denominator, what is the denominator here? X plus 8 is decreased by 1. Decrease means what should we do? Subtract. Decreased by 1. How much we subtract? 1 we must subtract. Is decreased by 1 means we must subtract 1 to the previous denominator. Understood, ma? The new number obtained is, how does the number obtained? In the previous example I told that 1 by 2 means 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator here. If numerator is 2, denominator is 5, what is the number? What is the rational number? Number is equal to numerator by denominator. 2 by 5. If we know numerator and denominator, we can write number. Here this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So what is the number? X plus 17 is by x plus 8 minus 1 is 7. This is the rational number. Understood, ma? E is 3 by 2. This one is equal to 3 by 2. Then find the rational number. We got an equation. By simplifying this equation, we can find out rational number. Understood, ma? We will go into the question. How? Solution. What is the first step? First step is let the numerator is equal to x. Therefore, denominator is equal to how much, ma? According to the question, what is the denominator? Greater than its numerator by 8. That means greater means we must add. How much you must add? 8. Understood? Next, if the numerator, that means the new numerator, this is previous one. New numerator we are writing. If the numerator is increased by 17, you must add 17 to this one. Increasing means adding. This is the numerator I am taking. Increased means adding. How much you must add? 17. Understood, ma? This is the new numerator. And the denominator is decreased. Previous denominator is x plus 8. Present denominator, new denominator. New denominator equal to how much? What is the denominator here? X plus 8 is decreased by 1. Decreased means from this you must subtract 1. Decreasing means subtraction, increasing means addition. Understood, ma? Okay. The number obtained is number. The number is equal to numerator by denominator. Like that only, no, ma? Number will come. How does the number comes? Numerator by denominator only. What is the numerator? X plus 17 by, what is the denominator? 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So, x plus 7. This is a new number. Understood? Already they give 3 by 2. That means this number is equal to 3 by 2. According to the question, the required number is equal to 3 by 2. That means x plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. This is the required equation. You must simplify this equation, you will get x value. X value means after getting x value, substitute here, you will get the rational number. Understood, ma? So, I am not having sufficient place, so I am rubbing, ma. We can continue here. What is the equation? X plus 17 by x plus 7 equal to 3 by 2. What should we do? How should we simplify? We must cross multiply the denominators. So, these two will go top. 2 into x plus 17 is equal to, this denominator will go to the numerator. 3 into x plus 7. Okay? So, multiply. Bracket before any number or any variable is there means you must multiply. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 17. 17 2 is 34 is equal to 3 into x is 3x plus 3 7 is 21. Okay? Now, what should we do? Bring all variables to one side and all constants to other side. See here 2x I am keeping here. I am bringing plus 3x to left side. It becomes minus 3x. When we bring this variable from equal to symbol to left hand side or from left hand side to right hand side of equality symbol. Equality symbol is made. Okay. So, I am sending this plus 34 to that side. Already this number is there. 21 plus 34 means minus 34 it becomes. Understood? So, both are like terms. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1x. But greater number is 3. 3 is having minus symbol. So, minus 1x equal to 34 minus 21. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Which is greater? Minus. This number is greater. For this what sign is there? Minus is there. Minus and minus will cancel. Implies x is equal to 13. But this is not the answer now. Find a rational number they give. Substitute this value in the, what is the rational number here? This one is the rational number. Okay. Find the rational number. X plus 17 by x plus 7. Okay. What is the rational number? Rational number is equal to, this is what we got the rational number. Which one? After adding the numerator and denominator, we got this one. Substitute this value here. 13 plus 17 by, x means 13 only, no? I wrote 13. X means 13. Here I wrote 13. Plus 17 by, x means how much? 13. 13 plus 7. How much more? 13 plus 17 is how much? 30 by, 13 plus 7 is 20. 0, 0 cancel. Implies 3 by 2. This is the rational number after adding, increasing 17. This is, see here, these both are equal. That means we have done correctly. Starting, what is the rational number? Starting rational number by using first step. Rational number is equal to numerator by the denominator. What is the numerator? X is the numerator. According to the first step, X is the numerator. X plus 8 is the denominator. Okay? X means how much? X means how much? 13. 13 by, here also 13 plus 8. Substitute X value. 13 by, 13 plus 8 is 21. This is the wanted rational number. What they asked in the question, that is the rational number. Okay. This is the rational number when they increased 17. Already they had given 3 by 2. For checking we can use this one. Starting, what is the rational number? This is the rational number what we got. Understood? Numerator we got as x. Denominator as x plus 8 in the starting, first step. If I substitute there, you got this value. This is the required rational number. I hope you understood well. If you are having any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.